Welcome back, Speak My Mind family, to the start of a new week. Yes, man, we are running up in the next month soon. Wednesday is the end of July, and the next day is Emancipation Day, which is the 1st of August. Boy, people, the month are done. Not the month, the year are done fast. Trust me. What I say? The year are done fast. Trust me to blow. I just what it's like we reach half of the year and watch it. We actually are got 3/4 now. Why me I tell you time now wait for nobody. You look for your watch now, you say 10 o'clock and you figure somewhere 10:30. You say alright, 5 more minutes. And you did that time yourself, and when you look, right till that 20 past of 20 minutes that gone, 15 over the 5. So yes, it's a time now wait for people. Anyway, Speak My Mind family, you know what to do. Because we are just getting into that video after a quick intro. So I don't know what to do. Just like, share and subscribe to the channel. And remember, please to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember, double press video, thumbs up. And please to watch the ads. Support the channel by watching the ads. And that's not the only way for you to support the channel. Like and share the videos, and if you can copy the link, you copy the link and share it also in your WhatsApp or on your Facebook page, and ask your followers, please go and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright? Yes, man, that's how you support the channel, not just by watching, like, and that's it, or probably watch the ads. There's other ways and means you can support the channel. Share the link, share the videos in your WhatsApp and your Facebook page. I'm not going to tell you say every video you have to share, but at least the link, you can share the link. But if you find a video funny or whatsoever, you can share it. Yes, man, share it, man. Like somebody see if them can find it funny too. You never know, you might have a follower base of say 10,000 person on your Facebook or your Instagram. Probably 100 out of that can gravitate at the same time is 100 more subscribers for me and the channel, which is also your channel. Because the channel is your own, me is just the platform older, but are your channel. Remember Tamika Douglas TV in the comment section also. Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section also. Go ahead and give them a subscription, and don't forget the one over there. So people, me are telling you, he said, if you don't help the channel to grow, when you don't see it grow, no, say. And me help the channel to grow. You see, Life is a Mission TV. I can't tell you say the next year, 2 years or 3 years. But you see the plan that I have and the goals that I want for that channel. Me now stop work till I reach it. Nothing never done before time, and certain things you have to just take your time and take your time. You understand? But me I tell you, that channel there, you know, look out for it. Look out for it. It's gonna be a hit one of them days. Yeah. Remember, just like we have any recreational channel out there, Life is a Mission TV will soon to be a hit channel out there also. No worry, man. It's a great plan, I know. No worry. So go over there, go subscribe anyway who not subscribe yet, which is a whole pound over here. Alright? Anyway, bless up on yourself again. Happy Monday, new week. Start of a new week. Make sure when you don't carry on Sunday, Monday, go to work. Because when you come out here, you don't blame the food you eat on the Sunday. And say I eat, make you feel lazy on Monday. But no. You see, someone will wake up morning time, I top the rice and peas there. And whatsoever meat you cook, I hit mashing up on Monday daytime. I know the one you eat in the evening Sunday. Remember me, they tell you no. I eat go no all the niggeritis. Yes, man. Anyway, people. So what them people, share it with you know. I'm gonna have a little healthy snacks, banana bread and a cup of milk. People, boy, some on the platform all that on a daring. On a daring bad. Sometimes you have to just take it as joke. We sometimes on yourself take it as joke. and do certain things, but them say, Frog, so what is joke to you is dead to him. People, me come in since night, you know, I say, blow, you know, so a long time, you know, see where Marcia go on with. Because if you don't realize, the last 4 or 5 videos is not about Marcia. So I say, let me see where Marcia go on with there. When me check. Now, Marcia, I go at Gracie, but the thing is, them bandage up Marcia. Because which part Marcia, she can't really come out of her skin. She have to take time and look one at a time. She cuss her one big old bad word, and when she look she and she come it down back and she pretty up the bad word and cuss it again. Because them bandage her is like she there somewhere, whether one hotel or some family house. But we all get to that part there too. You understand? Because I say she do something in the video and I say look at her too, no? Kuno too. But we not going to talk about that part here so to the reach there so. But she come at Gracie boy. And the same spit in her face and kick in her face. Just tell me which part of them. As a matter of fact, me are there in New York all week this week. Just call me. Like what you call me now. Because Gracie must call her people. Grace Tin Mackerel call her. And tell her how much dress she wear go her family funeral no look good. And what kind of cheap dress and dress that she wear go her funeral. And you know, say Marcia not take that easy. Marcia we want to come out here and criticize everybody. About them clothes, them hairstyle, them looks, them makeup, everybody. But when criticism reach she no want it, she take it hard. So me want to know if she no think say at the same way the other person take it hard, but the other people have more footing. The other set of people, they might have more footing where them not really come out here, come make she look important. Them just make it past them ears. She not make nothing pass her ears. Because the same thing where she has say why this woman call her for content. And the same thing when she come out here and talk about it. For content. So the two of them are look content. As a matter of fact, the whole of us platform holder without content platform can't survive. What is what you do to get the content and how you go about getting the content. You understand? And where you bring across and twist across and lie across and all kind of cross. But she tell Marcia, say, but people, you know, say honestly to them, I get a glimpse when I think Marcia they go live and me as troll and me say I go live. But you know, when you go up on YouTube and you as troll, you don't have to open the page. Once you reach a person where they live, you can't see. I see when she like she did a funeral. And me get a glimpse of the dress. Really and truly, the dress never not hot dress it too, Marcia. Marcia, it wasn't no hot dress. Me not lie. Marcia, me not lie. It wasn't no hot dress. The way you go on in your family funeral, Marcia, your brother, wife, Marcia. No, stop. Marcia, you should have looked like a one wedding. In a one nice frock. Yes, Marcia. Your brother, wife, you know? Yes, man. You should have looked better than that. Marcia, you look ordinary. You never stand out like he's a part of the relative. Or I should say a part of the family. I have my apology. You never stand out like he's a relative. You stand out like you're some stranger. You know, and you have a friend that got a funeral and you just draw on something. You know, you just go into your closet. If you, oh, you don't have no closet. You just go into the back of your van or go into the storage. Or which part you have the clothes them throw down in a bag or whatsoever. Because you don't really have no closet, Marcia. And you just draw out something. Because somebody I saw you wear clothes. You just draw out clothes. Till when you get tired of that now, every weekend you get paid what day when you at work, you go shopping and buy something. And the same day you buy it, and the same day you put it on down a party. Sometimes you never wash out the frock them, Marcia. You never wash out the clothes them, as same so you put them on. So Marcia, I'm not gonna lie to you. She not wrong here, so. Me don't know about the value of the dress because you come out here and you say 18, what? $1,800 US you pay feet. No, 180. Lie me I tell for you. $180 you pay feet, Marcia. Marcia, if you really take your $180 buy that with somebody who say you have taste, better you continue buy the cheap clothes them. Because when you buy the cheap clothes them, you see more fashion in them, you see more style, you see more quality despite them cheap because them not last you long. They are like disposable clothes. Yes. So wash one, wash two, wash, you can't turn it down as your Shabba say you have to throw it away. Alright. And that's why you end up with so much clothes in the Marcia. Yes, Marcia. And that's why you come out and come boast and say you have much clothes up surround, so in a storeroom, in a room around there, so in a barrel, in a bag, some clothes where you didn't even remember say you did have them. Yes, Marcia. Because after you wash them 2 times, Marcia, no life, no left in them, Marcia. You could have put hot iron pan them little more, them now stiff up, Marcia. The iron could have hot to it and burn it. It now stiff up, Marcia. Close them gone, Marcia. Disposal clothes. And that's why you have so much clothes. So I bet you continue to buy them like cheap clothes and Marcia. Because if you go buy that, they just for $180 Marcia as a broke paparazing somebody. Come on, Marcia. Marcia, they just where you wear your gala where you say it's Italian made designer make it, you know. The Italian designer make it, you know. We make for all. She not make for no kaba people. So me don't know how you get in tango for she make for you and you below kaba Marcia. Me don't know. Me just ask. You know why me I deal with this another video, Marcia? Probably people me have one even video might for go no. Because just before me do that video, she just come off for the live. I'm here she call up my name. I so much days now me do a video for Marcia. Marcia. That just the way you wear your gala. Remember you come out you come tell we say it's a designer we make Paris people close to Paris and Italians and celebrities and one bag of sit me talk. And when the people them see the dress and Google the dress, Marcia, oh $85 can sale for the dress. And you come out you come tell us a designer make it dress and it value over $800 when at $85. But Marcia, as bad as thing be, that the gala dress there for $85. Look way more better than this where you pay $185. So is it that you don't have a taste when it come on to expensive clothing, but you have more taste for cheap clothing? I don't know. I'm just asking, Marcia. Don't come jump on my back, Marcia. I'm not going to give you any jockey ride. I'm just asking, is it that you have more taste for cheap clothes? And you know, you're easier to sight, you know, looks of cheap clothes than the expensive clothes. Because if you look at this dress, Marcia, that you wear, that you are saying you pay $180 for, something wrong, Marcia. But people, wanna just do the do. Me I gonna make she and Grace talk. As me say, I just recall it just before me come to that video, yeah. Me hear her call me name in that one video. And mix me up with everybody. So me say, no, me in that mood there. Probably tomorrow when me I do that video there for you, me not in that mood there. So me just take it out pan her now. Marcia, stick to the cheap clothes them. When you buy the cheap clothes them look more lookable upon you. Them look like them have more quality, but we know say cheap clothes, but at least we can see the quality in when we say looks, not quality. Quality in the looks, you know, the temporary looks we have, yeah. But after 2 wash, I eat that. But this is just how you pay $180 for Marcia, just normal sitting. Me not see no style, me not see no flair. But you come out now through Grace Mackerel come out. You know why Grace Mackerel do this? I just a few days, about a week and other ago, you come out and talk about somebody's dress. And look at the dress where you wear go your brother wife funeral. As me say, you should have stand out for a fashionist. You should have stand out at that funeral as a fashionist. We should have looked upon you and say, yes, man, that's how we should they talk and a whisper because we don't want nobody hear. So we are give you props, say you look good. We don't want nobody hear, so we are say, Lord God, the dress fit Marcia good, me not like look good. We don't want nobody say, boy, you know, say me see that dress they down a way, about $300 feet, you know, or $200, you know. We don't want nobody hear, so we are going to depend. Yes, that's how we should have gone. We shouldn't have see you ordinary in the crowd. How old is the woman we pass off? You look like you got one woman with a 90-year-old or 100-year-old funeral. You know when them people are the type of fussy people there. You know? So anything you can draw and go. Yeah, it come like a one little stranger old woman or old man funeral you go. The woman couldn't be your law. She never used to treat you right. Me no know. Why? Anyway, people, wanna listen what I go on. I remember I know Miss say so. Listen, as she and her friend, and she come out for her. So listen to her. Go and eat my banana bread and drink my milk. Healthy night, yeah.
So when me I do a funeral, I don't ask me question. So me I tell you now, me sit down today after the funeral over, we had a repast and everything, and we sit down and we were having a good time. Me and my family sit down. Lo and behold,
You and your
no
family.
other than the little stinking pussy, Gracie.
Oh, sorry, people. Sorry.
Stinking crotch.
Sorry, people. I don't know, I always make you aware. But I don't know if it come on to Marcy, I rush when them touch her can on her little toe. Because she have one big old can on her little toe, you know. And you know, the toe side of the big toe, where them say if it's too woman have that, and the too tall, them rule man. Yeah, that's why she rule the man them she have, you know. Because a toe against a big toe, it's tall. And from me I grow them say any woman you say have a toe that is taller than past the big toe, them rule man. It have one big can on it. So sometimes when they step on the can, she cuss a whole heap of dirty nasty word and go on bad. And as me say, I too, she did because she never really jump out of her skin, she did try. So, only remember, listen up for that. I have my apology.
Dirty girl. Eh? Call me. Can you imagine the audacity? Me say any blood clot, bombo clot, there me catch you, me a fight you. My bombo clot 10, the way me 8 you, 9 you, 10 you.
Everybody 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Me a spit in your face. My pussy clot 10, you better pray.
Oh, sorry also, people. There's a member said she said about the spit part. So she always talk about she spit in her people's face. Because Marcy just phone by the man, you know. All she got talking at this boy, take me a phone by the man. Wait till I book it. Just make me book it in New York. Come on New York. Just call me and tell me which part you're there. Part right kind of disturbing, nasty, filthy. She have said this already, you know, in a video, previous video, and she gonna say it again. You know, she bought Grace tin mackerel, she would have just now buckle or around box and dash in her face. So I want to prepare for that. If you not eat, you want to pause the food. Or make case eat half what you want. Or pause the video. Eat half what you want to eat. Relax on yourself. Digest on the food. And go back to the video. So when that part they play, you know, kind of feel, you know, disturbed by the nastiness.
You better pray that me, Marcia Campbell, don't return in my church. I swear upon the Holy Bible.
No church now accept you.
You hear me tell you? Me say any day, if you
As you reach the church door, angel will turn you out. This time and nobody in the church will turn you out. An angel.
the way me 8, you 9, you 10, 11, 12, you 1,000 you. Any day me catch you. You better pray. Me return full time in my church.
That will help you. So if that's your plan to go back to church, that now help you take God. When you take God for you there, and that's your plan to run go back in the church.
Me tell you say no, me don't love woman. Me only admire them. People who can inspire me. And anybody can inspire me. Because me have a friend behind closed door. We're in a high position. And even them can't tap me from us.
Move. You don't have nobody in that high place. Now you have
Certain
papa so.
woman me look up to. Will inspire me. And when they inspire me, people woman will inspire me is in dressing and things like me. You know who inspire me like Diana Ross.
If me have friends in high places like how you come out, come talk and show off. I don't know you said this, you know. You said this song we are last year, them time yeah, or earlier. Or you have people in high places. I think at the same time you come out here and tell about pastor listen to you also. And not to mention further down in the year, when time the pastor gave the $1,000 you use that to come out here, come prove. So sit there. I told you no. Me have all pastor listen to me, pastor call me and text me and tell me that them don't matter the bad word when me cuss. I want to know which pastor will call you and tell you that. But you use the one now through the pastor he come give the $1,000 to make it look as if, okay, yes, See me they tell you no, me have people in high places and some people who are listening. You know nobody in the high places, Marcia. Then you could have really count these people where you say in the high places and you go through your ordeal from last year, come right back till now, and there's no help to you. More than some little small handout where you get. Those are not from people in high places. That are the low places people that you don't even look upon. Those are the people who you look above at all times. Those are the type of people you put down at all times. Those are the people who reach out to you. The people that can find 120 or 140 give you. And when them send on 10 or 115 give you, you turn it back. You don't want it because you give them something to put down. So what about your one where you did have where you put down for 40 odd years? I just should I rely upon? I don't rely upon nobody one. For them I send you 10 and 5 or $15. You know if 100 people get up and send you $5, how much that you get? But you are going like give people things to put down. But you have people in high places. You know, nobody in high places.
With big hairstyle, yes. If me, it look like say you obsessed with me. You is one of the most slabbiest, nastiest, craniest, ugliest fat bitch me ever seen on social media. And if
Lie.
me was a lesbian, you would be
Lie.
the last girl me chat to. You understand? Me know why. Listen to me. Me say, make me back catch you. Make me back catch you.
Bad girls, what you wanna do? What you wanna do when Mossy come for you? Bad girls, what you wanna do? What you gonna do when Mossy come for you? Oh, that drink another cup. Can't drink me, can't drink it, you know.
I know say me take time, me in no mood. From that little crosses, girl can call me today and disturb me nice, peaceful self. Me just want catch her. So right now, anybody say nothing to me? When not even sound right or sound right, me go off.
Head hot.
Cause me well want spit
Head
on the
hot.
girl face.
Like she just done smoke a grab a spliff. Head hot.
Me no see little dirty girl. All week me no see her. And you take up, she take up for herself. And both she a call me.
Mossy head hot.
Say bitch to make book you. You know what I mean me? Me a come down tomorrow and New York City. And I'm gonna be down here for a long time. Bitch, me want catch you. I'm gonna be down here. Tell me where to meet you. If I even your blood clot workplace. Tell me where to meet you, dirty pussy clot. Maybe
Talk to Mossy, tell her before we meet you.
come to your workplace for you.
Come for you. Anywhere you're there.
Me not ask you.
Me nah ask you.
Me not chatting with you, bitch.
Not chatting.
Me just want to see you.
You're yapping, but I'm not chatting.
Promise me not chatting with me. Me not chatting with you. Me just want to see you in front of me. Me not chatting with you. Not chatting. Me not you.
Bad girl, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when Mossy come for you? Bad girl.
No which part of them. Me master will come there. You want content? Tell much by there.
Want content? Tell which part you're there.
Desperate for content. And you want
Still, really and truly, that type of bad behavior, yeah. I shouldn't say behavior, but that type of signal, yeah, where she send like she tough like that, but I really want, me don't want a plan buck up. Because if there's a plan buck up, a plan, meet up, you don't know people will make up their mind, feet, and know say boy, anything when me reach, me just want to meet you, make we play it out in the street, and come off of behind the screen. Me don't want that, because as me always say, it must go physical. Anything when a social media stay in here. Worse when you on platform holder. Me come here, me tell you say you're red, come tell me say my one black. Tell me anything you want, tell me. Me could have it out here, so. The physical and personal thing when me in the street. But what would I like to see, so as me say, me don't want to see nothing plan. Me don't want nothing body say boy. Meet me yesterday if you me could see. Oh, yeah, no want that. Me just want the two of them would have probably buck up all in a store or something. Let me see who that step to who. But when the step to go on, me not really want nothing else go on. Would I like somebody that did it, if something even happen, they're ready to stop it. But just to see if she, Curly, really buck her, not only just Grace Tin Macri, because as you know here, she threatened the woman of country also and tell her the same thing. If me ever buck you, she'll go as far as say she will come a country which part she live. You understand? The same spitting and the same pissing and all that she tell her same way. Like what she tell her one you know. So would I really want she buck up one of them person, yeah, where them just step in at the same zone and see themselves face to face. And let me see who first I go step to who. It's just that probably no camera now go out for you see all of that. Cause I would like to see the impression on each face. To see who ready for what go happen or ready for what can happen. Yes man. Because to Curly attack man, Curly attack like she the lion man. And she rule the jungle. And me know say Curly just a chat big and bad with her phone. The last time Curly I tried checking me, you know. When she realized I threatened me, you know. She start call for help, you know. Well, none of them boys there in Jamaica will like me there. I know me there. Where them there? Where them there? You can't just lick that boy or thump or just and she start try for, you know, like she a try round up man. But she don't know man like that down here where she and her, them a friend. I one thing, you know. You see the youths them, if you not send nothing come give them, nah, do nothing for you. And you have to send it come give the atted one them. Cause the one them we have sense them when they have me out. And most of the atted youth them now them are earn them own money. Curly and all the money if you send come give nobody. You never did give the youths them nothing before. You don't have no line meant with nobody in my surrounding. So how you ever call man for me? Not even a nasty friend Lorraine can call no man a water house see me. Cause she not have no strength. See what day she go down there she depend. Watch pan goody, me say watch pan goody. And she depend. Watch pan good. Watch pan goody, me say watch pan. She have to just look behind her. She just do that to send the signal in her social media say, see it here, me can't go back to my place because through the one Tinsin, T-girl did end up come to Jamaica, she never do no live. You understand? All she do is some video and post because she don't want nobody know her location, so she don't go live. Or I think one time she go live, in time she in at the bus, the tour bus. And you know the bus is a moving bus, so basically, how you go track it? And like she that done driven and she say, me that done river, yeah. And you don't know say you can't pull up. It was a moving bus and you don't know where the bus go. But she did come now and try black pan she look man good. I say, yeah, see it ya. What house me there? Yeah, me there for my ground, yeah. And she every minute she look behind her people. Every minute. And she can't send nobody for me. You understand? So who is you, man, sir?
The fuck it. You want to figure yourself in it.
You come in a phone, come check the people.
Me ain't not chatting with you. Me ain't not chatting with you. Chatting time over.
You will stop checking the people in a phone.
Me just want to know which boy you there.
Cause you will get a surprise one of the day.
Me
You will come to Jamaica. And in Jamaica can they are foreign and somebody step to you because of the threat where you put out there. If you stop it, it's not good for you to threatening people like that. And everybody will just take it lightly and laugh and smile. You think everybody take threats simple? Not chatting, me ready. Ready.
You can buy this Africa. You can wear this Africa. Yeah, you know what dressing? Have I ever seen you in a feminine closet? You see there at Jamaica Palm Beach, and I see in a jean shorts.
Marcia have on a black dress, yellow earring. You know, you're short up if you have the Jamaica flag, Marcia. Your ear should be in a blonde color, you should in a green hairstyle. Yeah! Marcia into a yellow flowers ears ring hanging down on her black dress. She should have her ear in a green. A Paris time now, you know. It's Olympic time, Marcia. You should be celebrating at the funeral. You say everywhere you go, you like to stand out and look different. So it's only when you go to these shows you want to be stand out because you want entertainers to see you and call you out in the crowd because you look different from the crowd. For you come post on your platform how much. See that? Him call me, yes, because you look different from the crowd. And you do that specifically to get call out. Buju Banton never see you do because you did it too far. You couldn't afford the closer range fare. You did that too far. But all you want is, you know, man, say some green, the color green of the Jamaica flag, and you could have passed for the flag with Shelley and Fraser run with our Wisdom Night, our Night Wisdom, where them one name, the one that we do the dive sitting there, where them say the captain for the team. I look like a Jamaica flag. Why? I want to club come tell people about dressing. Move.
Appear jeans the way me never seen a one dress. You never look feminine yet. You look like a big bull cow. There's no feminine thing about you. Not even the weak them look ahead. You cut off, I don't know what you do. You cut off your hair like mine. And you try to be like me. And you look like a undeveloped calf. You look like an undeveloped hippo.
Marcia, watch out. My fan stop work for me. I went. I have two fans in my room. One stop work. I found the serving about 9 years or 10 years. And it stopped work for me, Marcia. Good to me, they have a second one. I back up on the night. Them never so hot because we get the rain. And watch out, Marcia. I didn't even go buy. Me just take my phone and call a friend and say, go town, go buy a fan for me. This is a 18-inch Lasco fan mast. I never lay away, Marcia. Me never pay $50 down and I wait to pay the rest. She just go buy it. Me never give her my card nor no money. She just take her money and go buy it. And when she come, she present the receipt. And me just pay her back her money and give her a drink. Marcia, you know, you'd have burn up. Because you'd have to pay $50 down, $30 down, and $20 down. You come and cuss people about bed, and you don't have a bed. The bed where you see and want, where you claim to say value $4,000 odd US dollar. I lay away, you pay for that. We don't buy them sitting there by lay away, man. We buy cash. Because me say me afraid that when the truck come to take it back when me fall upon hard times, because you don't know what can happen. And 3/4 of the way you done pay feet. And when you done pay feet, something happen you can't pay the rest, and you run up in a raise and then send send truck feet or whatsoever or whosoever you buy it from. All this are funny now, man. Say you couldn't go buy cash. Couldn't go buy cash. Waste out your days.
You look like a undeveloped hippo. You can't talk about the body clothes. You can't wear the jacket.
Watch you again, Marcia. My daughter flying next week. This coming week, yeah. And me just buy. See there? Yeah. You know that when I come along, travel along, or what? A suitcase at the long time sitting. The £1 weed where you show. Me remember waiting here because I'm a traveler. Me just buy a 3 set. This is a set where come in 3. Small, medium and large. And I cash this man and deliver right at my gate. Me just buy it off a site where me normally buy things from. Cash Marcia, not layaway. Then you come on like you live better than poor people. Or people where you feel like worse off than you in Jamaica. Go ahead. You know Jamaican they live better life than you. I better you did there. What if 99 did I think the same way when they come and criticize our dress? Eh? Life is so funny, but I only make life funny.
I dash that bumbo clock right by you. I've got up a living, let me see you right now. The shit no one pan. And dash that blood clot near face. As God could have put on and kill me. Me, Master Campbell. Me not ask you, you me repeat that? Me say as God could have put on and kill me today.
I say when I from a veranda I play with my golf ball.
The shit no one pan and dash that blood clot near face.
I say when you go back home, I want you to do this and show me. Do this and beat me. Go on your veranda, your car porch, I play with your little golf ball.
Dash that blood clot. Look in your face. The way me not like it. Serious. Me not chatting with you. Bitch, meet me somewhere.
Bad girl, Marcia.
You're right. Over phone you call and harass.
Yeah.
My phone is for business.
Yeah.
Bitch like you, me no know me and a friend no call me. You not buy shit? Me and acquaintances and members only don't call my number. You're right.
You're right. Don't call me.
You're right. Me no ramping with you. You think I forget where to me?
People, yo, she calm. She can't come out her skin. Or should I want to come out? But guess what happened now? She can't wait neither till she reach where she can do it. Because it burn her. Oh, she get the call when she answer that person there and I tell her about her dress. This are the same curly, you know. We criticize Dana's dress, you know. Somebody know I criticize her dress. So, uno alone for get up, see fault of people, criticize, but when people see fault of uno, whether there's a fault or not, they must criticize. Whether it's a fault or not and somebody criticize, you just hold it. Because you are someone who do the same thing to people. You just do the same thing recently. Not like 1 year ago, 2 years, just a couple days, weeks ago. You have done the same thing to another person. And as I said, that's the main reason why probably this person come out and do it back to you now. And as me say, honestly, to my judgment, that frock is an ordinary frock. That frock coming like, you know, somebody have a loved one that passed, can't afford to buy a dress, don't have any clothes to go to the funeral, you know, and someone who is much older than that person have something show down and then just take it up and say, oh, you know, I have a dress can give you to wear because you are black. And you know, black are normally the color of vintage times for go funeral. You know, now a different thing of fashion. Any color, different color, anything. That don't mean that dress for the superstar is okay. The fashionist, that dress is not okay for she, despite me say anything. And the person just pick up a dress and say, I have a Latino, I'm going to give you one. So, and you get it, you're so happy because you couldn't afford one. And you get one. I saw that dress they look, you know. That is just a cheap house dress with no looks, no style, nothing at all. But it still, she said she paid $180 for it.
A year or so ago, you think I'm gonna get? Make I ever catch your blood clot. Make I ever catch you. You stinking cunt. Me not chatting with you. I just want to book up your dirty big fat sour pussy clot. The shit no, but I'm see I got to pay for some dash in your blood clot face, bitch.
Nasty. You're nasty.
You better pray that me, that one full in my trip. You better make sure so when you make sure somebody book you there. No way, a New York City. You may tell you, you're bright.
You're dunce. You're right. You're dunce.
You know, so today a funeral day, me sitting on the family. What you calling me and harassing me for? Yeah? You can't look like me. can't look like me.
You can't look at me.
You can't wear this dress,
You can't wear this
A
dress.
tailor dress this from
Tailor
Macy's,
this from Macy's.
$180. You can't wear a silk dress. You can't wear that type of dress,
You can't wear this.
And you look
You
like a
can't wear
hippo.
this.
You can't wear that dress.
You can't wear this.
You can't wear it.
You can't wear this. Look at me.
You can't wear them type of classic dress. Where you call my phone from? Let me catch you. Me not chatting with you. Let me catch you. Let me catch you. Me not like you. The service bad. I don't know if I reoccur.
Listen.
When you can't do this, contents them a look. Contents them looking.
Alright. Wanna see me tell you say Curly now lay her head anywhere pretty, anywhere nice right now, comfortable. Remember, me tell you Curly like to show. And when you see Curly can't show, I'm not sure she don't want to show. But the place not suitable for show. See there, I don't know if it's a hotel she there or her family place she there. She cock up foot and she a show. Turn on, flick the camera and a show. See there? When you can't do this, you can't chat to me. When you can do what? Isn't your place? Is where you is? Is it yours? As I say, I don't know if it's a hotel, a guest house, or our family house. But me sure in one of here. But you cock up foot. You saw people place comfortable. What that madman over in my yard, man? You saw people place comfortable and nice. I saw you could have owned place so people can come and spin in a too and show other people. But owning a house wasn't your priority. And it's still not your priority. I know you grow to see how house is important to have a roof over your head. You still not see it as a priority. But probably you see it as a priority now, you know. But guess what, pride will kill you. Because you're ashamed to know, say, boy, you never own one back then when all is good during your period of time coming up and things were a little bit better to own a house than now. So you still play it off to make it look up. Okay, me don't want a house because you have to maintain it. But you come and show people house. I maintain the people have to maintain them place, you know. You feel good of exposing people property, something where not your own? No, sir.
Contents.
You show off hotel where it's a public place. You show people place. But you see which part you put your head at night time now we can't see. Me tell you, when she said she live in the loft, she could have barely show you all you see a column around and go up in a ceiling and she show you the little kitchen area. Nowhere else. And she lie down one place can't move. But as soon as she get the woman place in the 1700, she get 500. You start to she show your curtain, the decoration and everything. Because they said it's suitable for sure. Since she moved, have you seen her show which part she got rest at night time? No. Be a dark screen. It come like down a St. Elizabeth with light there for days after burial. Dark. Any nice one in the background, I want to come madman over in your answer. Them was at night, I'd come like hey, taking. Mash up your head.
The way me despise me can't even cuss you right now. Me just want to hold you.
You can't cuss her now because of where you're there.
I'm big and bad and bold like that.
And if you could have hold it, you'd have wait till you move from where you're there. But you can't hold it because it'll stick you.
Don't feel like I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of
You're
you.
too bad and mighty and you're bad for your mouth.
I guess you never experienced my mouth. You think that because we're on Facebook and chat, you think see you in a real life.
You go in a store and get mad or get bad. That not prove say you're mad or you're bad. You go in a store, go get what you get because you shop with the store and probably management no want excitement on them business. So them try to, hear you out, calm you down and whatsoever. That not prove say you're bad somebody. Come out the road, come buck one of the somebody them where you want buck. Go a country, go buck a woman where you say you will come our gate, but at the same time you say you go our gate, but you say you go pull up and call tool come on. After you say you alone you come and go the woman gate, afterward you say you will call tool come on. So you say you coward at the same time, you only bad by your mouth. Because me want to know which part you could have left where you come from now and come pull up on my gate and bring back this to me. You must say mad. Could you too? If you ever a hog we want to feed.
Try me. I'm telling you right now. Me catch a blood clot charge for you. I catch a charge for you.
We know. Because you want 3 meals a day.
I will.
No rent to pay. And no man to obey. I presume, yeah man, I presume you want because you want freeness 3 meals a day.
You can't wear material. You wear your skin tough like a alligator. You can't wear my quality clothes.
Are you alone it just it make for? You alone it make for. Who you too?
Marcia don't say nothing. And Marcia don't say this and Marcia so that. But this is provoking. Me no look for that dirty stinking blood clot girl all week. I mean, I spend time with family and
Me no look for you neither me. You call up my name in a video.
And I call me. I say me sit down there and she knows say I'm here with my family. And I call me and I interfere with me.
Who man a response which part you want there? Who want your family know who you is? We don't want you pretend in front of them. We want your family know the type of person you is. Because you pretend in front of them, Or them pretend to be like them don't know who you is. Because they can't know who you is in a social media,
Every cemetery when me go, every funeral when me go, it's a tradition for me. Any graveside me I walk in at. If I know myself I go to funeral and go any graveside. I even for the bus stop back in the days. I need a bus stop and me pass any cemetery. Me say the last prayer. All of a sudden me go in my vehicle now. And me start the last prayer because me park up in a cemetery. Me Duppy follow me and Duppy in my vehicle. All of a sudden. You see people on the content. Them up here follow my content.
So she had a car Christine Macron Duppy.
Where did they? When me Lego the big load of shit.
Here you go again, nasty woman.
Them the time they go set your blood clot.
Here you go again, nasty woman. Big old woman, grandmother like you.
Where did they today? When I Lego this big load for you? Where did they? Where did they?
You know, say you have a weak latitude. Your latitude weak. Your system weak, Marcia. On a serious note now. Because the amount of time you say you defecate for the day, your system weak. You see a man come out, you come say as you have to go near your toilet. That's why sometimes it's too heat a road. But me always see you heat a road. So which part you put it down when time take you? In the van, you have one box in the van or one butter pan. Or you make sure you can't stop at one restaurant or you can't allow to use the restroom. Because if you say as you heat your fish, something wrong. Your latitude not good. Something wrong with your system. How much you know as you have to? How much you know? Alright, watch this now. I drink this milk about, call it 15 minutes ago. No. I didn't even feel like I want to ease. You understand what I mean? And I milk this. And I can tell you people, me not too agree with milk product them way there. That's why I supplement and them sitting there, me not drink. And if me I go drink it, it have to have something in there to cut the, yes, probably little alcohol Or me have to put little salt in there. You understand? But she, every time she eat, she have to, that she almost want, every time she want to show it in somebody's face. You all nasty big grandmother, you. Me I pray God that your grandson don't come live with you for no reason at all. None. Just stay away like how your father stay away. Your grandson will stay away from you just like how your son stay away from you. There is no grandmother I would want to be around. You're filthy. Make it happen then, Marcia. It can't happen, you know. Put yourself out of the way to find her. If you really want it to happen, show where your body is. Show where your body is. Put yourself out of the way to find her. Because America on the day, you know, it's easy. Contacts there the way you can call and say, you know, what she there? How to find her, Ray. Oh, there, yap. Oh, be your mouth. Because you have a voice. Where? Why the frack argument? Burn her enough if you never see her face. If it never burn her, should I probably hold it till she dead within her space. But she couldn't hold it, she have to let it out. So she have to talk up in her skin. You understand? She have to talk up in her skin. She can't talk out because her family's members are around her. She costs too bad and she have to depend. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the next end of another video. Marcia frack cheap and she say 180 feet. It not look good, it not no style, nothing at all. Marcia, you're a fashionist. Black frack or something. Feel like you, them something at the top wear. You have to wear fashion clothes go to funeral. You understand? This little flat black dress what you wear. Outdated, Marcia. Leave that to the more elder set of people them. And you could have carried off yourself as a Jamaica flag as me say. You understand? Because you have been a gold aging which is yellow. And you have on the black dress and the aging hang down. You could have dyed your ear in the green and call it say your Jamaica flag. You're on your way to Paris. The Olympics. You understand? Speak my mind, people who don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Tamika Douglas TV is in the comment section. And Life with Gabby and Chevy is also there. Hit the link and subscribe to those two channels plus the backup channel. Because no fun no subscribe to my backup channel yet. But me a beg you 3 channels for free wholesale. You don't have to pay $1. It no cost not $1. And remember, press the post notification bell. So when a video drop or a live is going on, you also be one of the first to know. Bless upon yourself. Happy Monday. Remember, watch the Sunday Monday. Eat that after you come from work. Don't carry it for your breakfast. You're not going to drop asleep on the people them work. And it's very hard times now, both here and abroad, for you to lose your job because you're sleeping on the job. Because some job, you know, remember, if them catch you asleep, there is no excuse. You got to go. Some you might have a chance. Alright. So watch the Sunday Monday. Feed the breakfast and lunch business. Wait till you come home, you work that.